say today we are traveling to Eastern Cape and we don't have electricity. So I'm opening up in this traveling vlog. We're gonna take you along with us. Let's go to Eastern Cape. Andikwanonibonisa OOTD guys, zanibonisa endleleni. Kuyi-mess nje and silate. Utata nomama sebesibiza besebesithi masihambeni. Ixesha ngoku zi-2:03. So yeah, let's go guys. See you. Andibona endleleni phofu. Bye.
Shwabana. Ujonga eh? Ingamanzi kuruma dala nathi ngorore.
Hey guys, hello bantase, mani ke ndiyivule official le vlog kakuhle. Akukho dark ngoku sekuphume ilanga. Ndihamba nentombi. Ndihamba noPosh. Say hi to the vlog, Ponchi.
Hi.
Tata kwiMichael.
Duhangile Michael.
Sise-buffet festing ngoku guys, sisahamba kakuhle. Sawunibona ke xa sesifikile pha.
Yeah.
Bye yo.
Bye.
Okay, bibi ngoku uzathi ngiba. Hora. Okay, number 1. Ndimnikile igama. Speed. Hayi kaniphe ngomagama. uzogqiba two.
Hayi negama uthi
Ngopholo bezulu.
Okay, negama uthi izuthu kasisi. Phola.
wasibini ngokuthi number 2.
Khawuphe speed. Number 2 akanagama. Equate. Equate.
3.
5. Asoze 7 negama ne. Ndiyamthiya ngo-7. Stop.
Stop nonsense.
U-8 ngu-omoda. Urhafu. Izata. Ndiyamthiya unumber 5 anithi mosnini. Thiya kaloku. Yho. Protractor. Asizuyijika sisi. Siyaqhubekeka ngoku. Bani engekathiwa ngu-3 naba. Number 5 boys. Siyaqalela ngoku number. Qala yithi is 1 ngiba.
Yaqalela biza amagama speak. Hayi siyaqalela usho
Sibiza la magama side sigqibe ngibani ongekathiwa. Uthiwa ngophola.
Negative.
Okay. Okay, biza udiqale ku-number 1 girl. Still speed. Okay, biza lo.
Speed.
Ibe ndim. 2. Uthiwa ngiba. Protractor. Kuna baba. Kuna baba uthi mta bani kama equate. Izakhe ibiza nguwe u3. Oh. 4. Njani waphola kaloku wena 1 2 3 4. Oh. Ayisoze indima phola. Izu4 ayidima.
You are
Shitty. Yithi professor wethu.
the process. Get
Ija. Uthi protect. Ayike maziza nenye game ke. If awukwazi uligqiba.
Benake ngo-100 ngo-110 ngoku ndihamba ngo-110 ngishekelwe yi-27 kilometers bandifike ngila 10 ingene left iya yerhafu.
Asesirhafu ngoku. sizotya sizohlehlisa guys sizohamba garant.
Walking with you feels like the old days came through, feels like the real us came to. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real, 'cause these are dreaming friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real. We could make every secret disappear, we could tell the truths we hate to hear, we could read each other's mind like we had all the time, nothing left to fear, everything feels clear. Never got it wrong, we had that vibe, yeah. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real, 'cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream.
Hey guys, this is ndiyothenga umngela ndlini, ndiyothenga itip of nebisi for tomorrow ndikwazi uvuka nenze iti.
Secret disappear, we could tell the truths we hate to hear, we could read each other's mind like we had all the time, nothing left to fear, everything feels clear. Never got it wrong, we had that vibe, yeah. Sharing our food, dancing off tune, we were stupid. Never seen us that free, didn't think it could be so healing. Don't get in our lane, we don't entertain people scheming. But don't mistake this dream for being real, 'cause these are dream friends, dream spaces, we're not ourselves, no. Yeah, these are dream friends, dream moments, wish they were real though. place is in my head all day, where there's no conformity. Take me to the place where we talk with our eyes, to the place where even winter is warm, to the place where music is played all day, to the place where we sit next to God.
Hi guys, now we are home and we are ending the vlog here. We're gonna go start a new vlog tomorrow. Bye guys, thank you for watching.